Looking for an easy way to access your money in your Tonik account? One of your best options is to transfer it to a PNB account. With its extensive network of branches and ATMs, it will be convenient for you to access your funds wherever you are. In this video, we'll show you how you can transfer your money from Tonik Bank to a PNB account. Here's what you need to do. Open your Tonik app, and log into your Tonik Bank account. Tap Send from the dashboard. Select to another bank, from the Send Money options. Tap PesaNet, to change this transfer service. Then tap on InstaPay to select this option. Enter the amount that you need to transfer. Tap Purpose to select an option. Here, we select Fund Transfer as our purpose. Tap Next, to continue. Next, we need to provide the recipient's account details. First, enter the account holder name. Then, tap Bank Name to see the list of bank options. Start typing in Fill, to filter the list, and easily find PNB in the list of banks. Tap PNB, to select this bank. Next, enter the account number. Then, tap Next to continue. Be sure to review all the details you provided, then tap Confirm, to submit the transaction. Tonik will send you a 6-digit OTP, to the mobile number associated with your Tonik Bank account, to confirm the fund transfer. Enter your 6-digit OTP code. Once you see this, it means that the transaction is now being processed. You'll see these information, if you tap on View Transaction Details. Tonik Bank will also send you 2 text messages. The first one is sent right after the transaction has been submitted for processing. The second one will be sent to you after the transaction, or the fund transfer has been completed. Thanks for joining us today, and taking time to watch our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future content. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, who might also benefit from our content. Thank you once again, stay tuned, stay motivated, and until next time.